Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by charging both the AirPods Pro Black and their case so you don't interrupt pairing. Make sure battery is above 50% to avoid mid-setup failures. Once charged, enable Bluetooth on your iPhone or other device and keep it unlocked. Open the case lid and hold it next to the device. A prompt should appear, tap Connect. You'll see simple on-screen steps. Follow them to register the AirPods to your Apple ID and enable automatic switching if desired. Now focus on fit and controls so your listening experience is optimized. Try the 3 silicone tip sizes and run the fit test to find the best seal because a good seal improves bass and noise cancellation. Once fitted, practice the stem squeeze. A single press plays or pauses, double skips, triple goes back. Press and hold toggles between active noise cancellation and transparency. You can also customize long press behavior in Bluetooth settings. Make sure gestures respond consistently before proceeding to daily use. Finish by enabling spatial audio and Siri for hands-free control to get the most from your AirPods. Spatial audio gives a theater-like feeling for supported content, and Siri handles calls and playback. Make sure automatic ear detection and firmware updates are enabled so improvements install silently. If you run into pairing or audio problems, reset the AirPods by placing them in the case, opening the lid, then holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Repair afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.